Here's a clear, easy to follow guide on using NordVPN with a router perfect for users in the Middle East, example Saudi Arabia, UAE, Egypt, who want all devices on their home network protected and able to access global content. Why use NordVPN on a router? Setting up NordVPN on your router means, every device on your home Wi-Fi, phones, TVs, consoles, uses the VPN. No need to install apps on each device. Great for devices that don't have a VPN app, like smart TVs. One central configuration, less hassle. Note, not all routers support VPN clients, only those with OpenVPN client support, or certain custom firmware. Most ISP-issued routers don't support this by default. Step-by-step, NordVPN setup on a router. 1. Check your router compatibility before anything else. Log into your router admin panel, usually at 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Look for VPN client under settings. If you don't see a VPN client, your router may not support it. You might need a different model or custom firmware, OpenWRT, DDWRT, Merlin, etc. 2. Get your NordVPN account credentials. You'll need NordVPN service username, NordVPN service password. These are not always your login email. They are found in your Nord account under manual setup rightward arrow service credentials. 3. Download OpenVPN configuration files. 1. Log into your Nord account on Nord's website. 2. Go to manual setup rightward arrow set up NordVPN manually. 3. Download the OpenVPN config files for the server locations you want, example UAE, Europe, USA. Keep these files on your computer. You'll upload them to your router. 4. Configure your router's VPN client. The exact interface varies by brand, but the basic steps are: 1. Open your router control panel. 2. Go to VPN client, or advanced VPN client. 3. Click Add, or similar, to create a new VPN profile. 4. Set VPN type to OpenVPN. 5. Fill in description * any name, example NordVPN UAE. Username and password * your own NordVPN service credentials. 6. Upload the OpenVPN config file you downloaded. Most routers let you choose UDP or TCP versions of the config. UDP is usually faster for streaming and general use. 5. Connect and test after uploading the config. Save and apply the settings. Activate the VPN connection from your router's panel. Confirm it's connected. The router interface usually shows a status like connected. Then test it by visiting a site like What is my IP. It should show the VPN server's IP, not your regular home IP. Tips for different router types. Here's how it generally works depending on your router. Asus routers * log into the admin panel rightward arrow VPN client. * add profile and upload the .o file. * enter credentials rightward arrow activate connection. TP-Link routers * go to advanced rightward arrow VPN client. * add a new profile rightward arrow OpenVPN. * upload config file and enter username / password. OpenWRT / custom firmware * you can manually set up OpenVPN or use specialized guides depending on your firmware version. This is more advanced but offers good control. Optional, dual router setup. If you want some devices to use VPN and others not, you can use 2 routers, one with VPN, one without. Connect some devices to one and some to the other. This avoids double encryption, router plus device app, which can slow speeds. Common issues and fixes: no VPN client option. If you don't see a VPN client in your router settings, your router doesn't support VPN client mode. You may need a newer model. Or flash custom firmware like OpenWRT or DDWRT. Advanced users, slow speeds after setup. Router CPUs can struggle with VPN encryption, especially with OpenVPN. More powerful routers or ones supporting WireGuard, like OpenWRT with future NordVPN Lite, help mitigate this.